day, another dollar.
Another day, another dollar. We ready to go and make this flour.
Gonna make some content, dog.
Flour, I don't know, I just want some rhyme.
I'm gonna say this on rhyme. Alright, bro.
Yeah.
Alright, so shall we go today?
Today we're going to Sea Islands. It's on a hip strip. Gonna link up my boy.
Hip strip. Nobody, them don't know sure they know.
Bro, we're in Montego Bay. So I'm start over?
No, that's good.
Yeah, so I'm gonna start over.
Let's start over for
what?
Because
we do all of this now.
Yeah. Well, we're going Montego Bay.
Yeah, we're going Montego Bay. We're gonna hit the hip strip.
No, we're in Montego Bay, but we're going in the hip strip.
Yeah, we're going to the hip
strip.
The hip strip. You know? Me hip. Yeah. So we're gonna hip strip. We're gonna do some underwater shots today with this thing called the SeaBob and lift foils.
Me and Bob not gonna no water.
So yeah, man, pretty excited for that, man.
So for yo, the fun that kinda still around like it up. Yeah. So when it comes on to underwater content, you get me? So I normally use this red filter because no sun goes down to the depth that we normally swim to. So yeah, this red filter is what we use to get back the saturation back when you go down. Hombre, where you are? Hombre, hey! Hombre!
Oh, this is sick. Tomato ketchup in there.
I'm gonna put ketchup on the tea.
That is a flop shot. It's on the table actually.
Yo, normally like when I shoot them something here, like you see oh Yannick head shape, I just put the Yannick head over here. So that's it. That's it
Warping.
Yeah, that's it. Warp the money. Did it them that take a picture yesterday? I put it right there up. You see me, and so the money does warp, go straight up like Brainiac. You see me?
Like Brainiac.
Right, so I get ready there with pan Clay to send off him photos. He's just been a very good right now, so I was waiting. So another road trip today, you see me? Yeah, I forgot to say, you're driving, Christoph. Alright, so
I am lost. You lost?
everything at the car so far. FPV, got the fins, goggles, that, everything.
We didn't bring the Coronas, huh?
Yeah, they're in the car.
Oh, perfect. They're gonna be so disgusting and warm too.
Yep, Yannick right here. Bye. Where are we, Christoph? Where is this place?
First time I've been here. Apparently it's called the lagoons, the glistening waters.
As in the water glowing at the night?
Yeah, in the
Really?
night there's algae in the water, so that makes the water glow.
Oh, sick.
Yeah.
Alright. He's making a post, guys. It's the Virgo energy. Underwater thing, you know, should be the vibe. It's a vibe. Good day, good day, good day, good day. Watch your wire. One of them all have ND filter, dog. That's good. What is it?
It's pretty good, like it pops it up line. It's crazy, man.
Take away there, so.
I think that we need to brush this off.
Yeah, you know, someone already see it because a 2.8 man shoot that said everything blurred out fully. It's such a beautiful day. Raw this time.
I know, that's what I'm
No
I can't
JPEG.
believe that.
So this is a Lumix camera. Not sure why I use this brand, but okay. Oh, on my vlog. You put it on my vlog.
Leave them, bro.
Alright, so good to go.
Almost. Alright, we're good. Raw and fine. 500
Lumix guy. Sony guy. You don't know righteous, bro. Sony, yeah. Alright, ready feed.
Alright.
I wouldn't even use Sony.
Yeah.
Alright,
Power
greetings.
one. What's up, bro?
Hey, buddy. How you doing? Alrighty.
This looks dope. My name of a PolarPro ND filter on it, dog.
Yeah, that's tough.
This is nice. I don't know.
No man, don't rock. Push down now and balance. Just like a stand. It's gonna balance itself.
But balance it, bro.
Let me
Probably most like a.
Hold on, no man, let me see. No, don't try balance it in a
Oh,
Go now, lean to any side. But lean to the more dominant side. So point your toe and look where you're going.
The thing is, I think.
Point your toe and look where you're going.
No, man.
Jump off right here.
Supposed to sit. Camera say, yo, that they feel off.
You don't have to do it. Yeah. Too much, that's too much. See it? Alright, turn now, control yourself, turn. Lean into it. Lean into the turn and speed through it. I'm gonna say it's one wheel, bro. If it's not move, you can't turn. I'm Sefton Stewart, owner and instructor here at Lift World Jamaica. And we're a water sports company that's primarily mobile. And we actually want to bring our toys to your beach house or beach location to provide you with the experience. This is an underwater sea scooter, which is a new addition to our lineup. This is what we normally do primarily. This is the E-foil from Lift Foils, and it's mainly what we do. So let's have a good time, man.
Yo, man, you're dropping the mic. Can make a laugh.
Of course you would.
What's your Virgo energy? Always want to make an entrance.
There.
So you ready for it?
I'm ready for you. So this underwater housing is set up and ready to go.
Man, bag. Yeah. I forget what I'm doing.
It's a lot of gear, bro.
Isn't it?
A lot of gear.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. Oh, we got the Virgo energy right here, guys.
What you got?
Yeah, wait.
You filming me.
Now we have the captain right here. Alright, so I go. Well, the water look dirty right here, so let's wait, go out some more so get some clearer water, clearer skies, isn't it? Come on, my black look nice, you know, man. Pull out my sell it.
Jamaica, guys. We'll be going out today. We're here at Falmouth on the lagoon with the E-foil from Lift Foil. This is the Lift 3. So we're on controller, Bluetooth connected. It's an electric motor. It's an electric motor and a battery is in here. And that's what powers this board, and essentially it flies over water. Can't wait for you to see. Alright guys, this is our newest addition to the fleet. This is the SeaBob F5. It's basically a sea scooter. Goes up to, I guess, 12 miles over the surface and about 9 miles underwater. So it's perfect for underwater activity and photography and just for exploring. So let's try it out.
What a fabulous day, guys. Yo, today the dope. I swear, today the dope. Fabulous day. So, my boy here. Yo, I'm tired. Yeah, I'm tired. So, what do you think about the, what do they call it? The underwater jet ski? That's what I call it.
It's called a SeaBob.
A SeaBob?
Yeah, that was dope. That was fun. That was really cool to be able to move under the water like that. Obviously, I already do that because I have long fins and I'm a great freediver.
Okay. Let me cut the vlog here. But guys, yo, stay tuned for more. Stay tuned for more.